Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and let me share with you how to use the eye comfort mode or night mode. So first of all, we will begin with the customization. So let's tap on the settings. Here we have to tap on display, and here let's find the night light. As you can see, it is almost at the very bottom in this backlight option. So first of all, if you want to turn it on without any customization, just tap on the switcher, and as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So of course you can leave it like this, but if you'd like to customize it, just tap on the night light here, and as you can see, first of all, we can change the intensity of that feature. Right now it is let's say right in the middle, so by going to the left we can make it cooler. It's almost invisible, I would say, and by going to the right we can make it much warmer. It's almost orangish, or this kind of strange yellowish color. So it's of course up to you, just set it like you want to. Here we can also schedule the feature, so we can turn it on at custom time or from sunset to sunrise. So after picking the sunset and sunrise, your device will simply automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise are, probably network based. And here in the custom time, you will be able to manually pick the start time and the end time also, so something like that. And as you can see, the screen did not change. It is of course because we are not between the start and end time. And when I will change the end time to, for example, 8 o'clock, then the device will automatically turn into the night light. But let me pick none option. And this is actually the whole customization of this feature. And if you'd like to have much faster access to it, just unroll the top bar, and as you can see, the night light will appear right here. If for some reason it will not, then just tap on this edit icon here and you will be able to find it. So just tap on it, hold it and drag it to this first panel to have, of course, much faster access to it. So basically, of course, this option is currently turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on this icon here, and that's how it works. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode in your SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.